Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be blind testing drinks. My friend has mixed different drinks together and I'm gonna have to guess the ingredients. Guys, here we go, we're gonna start. I'm gonna start off with this one. Yeah, this one. All right. It's some sort of juice. Tastes like orange and mango juice. Now we're gonna be tasting the second one.
Oh, this one's bad. This one's bad, bro.
That tastes like, hold on. It tastes like when you get a drink at a fancy restaurant and they give you like that sweet cherry. So like that sweet cherry juice, I'm guessing. What? Hold on. Okay, make sure this like isn't on camera. Can I have this drink after the video? All right. I'm guessing, hold on. That's some sort of like mango juice mixed with like mango juice mixed with something is my guess. All right, last one. Let's see. I might have gotten all of these wrong, so let's see if I can get one right. Well, wait, I'm the Sour King. Okay, wait. So, I think that, oh my god. Wow. I think that's like, it tastes like limeade, kinda. I'm guessing that's lemon juice mixed with water. Okay, so guys, we have written down all the answers. I don't know what they are yet, but we're gonna find out. All right, the big reveal. Oh God, so we have orange, pineapple juice and sparkling water, maple syrup and cherry juice, mango juice and water, and lemon juice and grenadine. So, I guess that's what they were. I think I failed on every single one, but I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night, and we'll see you in the next.